Life is beautiful when you're inspired, graceful, let go of past, peaceful, confident, positive, expressive. Above all, life is beautiful when you appreciate yourself and live life to fullest. Let's watch Life is Beautiful live YouTube channel with Nalini and Jyoti.
So we are back, myself and Nalini, and thought, another question which continuously was still pending, and we thought we'll take a separate video on this, and we will also write the description what this video means after this particular, show. So it's what we want to ask her, Nalini. What I want to ask Nalini is, what is the second part of law of attraction? Actually, first part we already spoke in the live. What is the second part of law of attraction?
Yeah. So first part, it was positive thinking, what to expect from our mind, right? How to prepare our mind. That is one part. Actually, Murray Diamond, who is an expert in feng shui, which is science of your surroundings, how to use your environment and energy. She says, or she has mentioned that there are actually three components of law of attraction. One is your heavenly luck, which is you're born with. See, you're already born
Okay.
into Ambani family, right, or Bill Gates child. Then you already have all the wealth. All you have to do is carry on that legacy, continue that business, work hard, and there you go. You have continued wealth. You don't have to start something new on. So that is called heavenly luck. Second one is human luck. Human luck is using your body as a tool and meditating and manifesting and using your positive thinking to create what you have desired. Third one is home luck. What is home luck? Home luck is using your surroundings, not people. Using your home, your surroundings, where you sit and work, that place to manifest what you want so that you can
Wow.
optimize your energy. See, your energy, things also have energy, and certain
Correct.
things look good in certain place. See, if you have a computer here and you have a trash can here, which is full of trash, you don't feel very good all the time, right? However immune you might be. So you want to put the trash can away behind, right? So something like that. So this is called home luck, or environment plays a role in optimizing your energy towards your success. So I would like to read a
Fantastic.
few things how you can use your environment from Murray Diamond's course that I have bought. She says there are two parts to law of attraction. One is positive thinking, and the other one is our surroundings. I'll quickly mention what she says, which direction, what you should keep, and what you should not keep. I'll just give a quick list. First thing is calculate your energy number. How do you calculate your energy number? Just type in Google, calculate energy number based on birth date. There is a process to it how to do it. And after you calculate that energy number, look up, for example, I am energy number 8, I'm a connector, and I'm a teacher. Whatever I know, I like to learn, I like to share and teach.
There, correct.
Yeah, so I didn't know that I was that, but I learned from it. And in this, this is also called Vastu. Again, this is not new to our Indian culture. This is
We all know it,
Vastu,
correct.
and in Japanese culture they call it Feng Shui, or Fengshui is the
Correct.
spelling, Feng Shui. So what she says is East is for healing and plants. Hey, naturally, sun rises in east and plants like light, not
Correct.
west where the sun is going down, right? So whatever green things you have, put it in the east direction of your home, and it is healing. It brings you healing power towards you. Okay. And if you, and also it is for country. If you have a flag, put it in the east direction, however small your house might be. But put a flag or whatever goes with the country, or if you want to be a politician, something to do with your politics, put it in the east direction. Coming to west,
Correct.
west is for relationships. Somebody is asking for a great partner in life, or you want your married life to be great. You want to have a smooth relationship with all your in-laws and cousins and everyone. Then put family pictures. Invest. In the west side of the house, put family pictures. That will bring in more power and relationship strength into your life, it seems. One more thing here, what you should not do. Invest, don't put any sharp objects or sword or knives or things like that, because that will again create a problem. Yeah. And south of the house, yeah, you need to have a compass in order to determine. It's very easy nowadays on smartphone, you can download a compass. And south is for education and accomplishments. So in south, put certificates and medals and things like that, what you want to achieve. If you are in a rock business, then put some rocks or mountains. If you are in money business, then put some Lakshmi or something like that, right? And southwest is for romance. Southwest is for romance. If you put in southwest direction trash cans, then your romance will go into trash. So don't put trash cans in southwest. And southwest, put some nice pink color things or pink flowers or pairs of things or pairs of ducks or pairs of hearts and mother-daughter pictures, things like that. And north is for travel, some travel pictures in the north. And north is also for career. If you have a small waterfall or aquarium, then there will be smoothness in your career, it seems. Wonderful. So, and northeast is for religion. If you are a spiritual person, then this is my northeast. So I put Ganesha here. I also believe in Buddhism. So this is my northeast, and I put Buddha's picture there. So these are few things that you can use to optimize the energy around your surroundings. This is called feng shui or
Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra talks about all these things. Wonderful, Nalini. We had a wonderful thought process now, and thank you so much. And keep watching. Life is beautiful.
Our Global FMCG company is looking for ambitious, coachable, and serious candidates to join us as our business partners. Start your business with your smartphone or laptop with low capital. For details, visit worldebusinesspartners.com.